Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing milk donut recipe right here. Yes, I really want to share with you because it is so delicious, friends. And you can make it for any occasion or to share with your loved ones. So come and let's start cooking. Alright, so to start, we're going to use fresh milk. But if you don't have fresh milk, that is absolutely fine. You can also use milk powder. So after we add our salt, I'm going to add here my instant yeast. Yeah, that is what you need. Make sure that you get this one because it is really amazing. Next, I'm adding here my sugar and I'm going to add here 1 egg. So after you're done, go ahead and add your vanilla extract, okay? And then mix it really well. So I'm gonna recommend that you mix it for about 1 minute, okay? This side is very important. Yes. All right, so after you're done mixing all your wet ingredients, go ahead and get your flour ready. All right, friends, so now you get everything set up. So go ahead and add about 2 cups of your flour to start, okay? And yeah, I will show you the reason why. And also, if you don't have the stand mixer, you can go ahead and knead the dough with your hand, okay? If that's what you have. But trust me, when you use the stand mixer, it actually helps a lot. So the reason why I begin adding just 2 cups of flour is that I want it to mix really well so that I don't get any lumps in it. So next, go ahead and add your margarine or you can add butter. But to get a better result, butter is absolutely the best, okay? So next, I added the extra 2 cups, which is going to make it about 600 grams of flour. And that is what we're going to use to prepare this amazing recipe. Like I said, when you use the stand mixer, it's so easy. It makes the work really easy, okay? But as I said earlier, if you don't have that, that's absolutely fine. You can knead that with your hand. Just that it's going to take you longer, but the stand mixer will do all the work. And just like that, it looks beautifully. Look at that. Alright friends, so I needed this dough for about 30 minutes, okay? The machine did amazing job and I'm gonna recommend that if you're trying to make donuts, make sure that you use the machine, or if you don't have it also, that is absolutely fine. Alright friends, so go ahead and divide this dough into the sizes that you want, okay? In Ghana, we usually call this one togwe, okay, because it is dry and not wet, so we call it togwe. And I remember growing up, I really used to enjoy this a lot. When you go on the roadside, this is like the best snacks that we usually make back home in Ghana. But when you come to the US here, we call it donut. Yeah, so it's like the dry version of our puff puff back home in Ghana, the dry one. All right, friends, so I'm using my baby's bottle lid. That is what I can find. Use whatever is convenient for you. And that is what I can find, and I'm using it. And I really love it. It did a really amazing job. You can tell the shape is just excellent. That's how I like it. So go ahead and repeat until you are done with everything. All right, friends, so I'm going to show you one more time how I cut the middle part. Like I said, use anything that you have at home, okay? That will help you shape this donut. All right, so where I am right now here in Texas, it's really hot outside. So I decided to let it sit outside for 2 hours, and trust me, it did the magic. So while our dough is resting, let's go ahead and set up our fire ready. And I'm using here sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your preference, but I really love sunflower. I feel like whenever I use it to fry my stuff, it comes really nice. So that's why I am using it today. All right, so you can tell that the dough has doubled in size. It looks perfect. Look at that. Yes, it is time to deep fry them, and like how I'm doing it. And also, to make that perfect donut, make sure that you don't use high heat. This part is very important, friends. To make the best donut, you have to make sure that you use a low heat as possible and let it cook gradually. And trust me, give it the time, have patience for this recipe, okay? Let it cook and you see the results will be just amazing. So next, since you're gonna make milk donuts, I'm gonna use here needle. This is a milk powder. You can use any blend that you have. This is what I can get, so that's what I'm using right here. So you can tell that the donut is ready. Look at how beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Like, I feel like I just want to eat it right now. And you can tell that everything is really done. So let me just go ahead and dip it in that milk powder. Get it ready. I know this donut is gonna go by really fast because I know that some people are just standing there and waiting and watching me. And, I know it's gonna go by really fast. So friends, I hope you're gonna try this recipe and also make it at home. But if you don't like the milk powder, you can use sugar powder as well, okay? Yeah, they have some, like refined sugar powder that you can use also. So go ahead and do